So guys, for the first method, you want to head up with search and type in Task Manager. Click on it. Now once you run this, you want to find Windows Explorer. Now once you find it, you want to click on it and then click on Restart Task. You want to restart Windows Explorer. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you want to head up with search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And now once you run this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your computer is fully up to date. For the last method, you want to head up with search again and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you run this, we're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And now you want to run the scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, we're now going to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer. And then hopefully this will not fix your problem.